Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nano back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And look what we got here. I haven't been excited for a phone like I am for this phone in a long time. And this is what I'm going to be calling the poor man's version of a foldable phone. This is the LG G8X ThinQ Dual Screen. I mean, this is a mouthful. I haven't had an LG phone in quite a while. I've remembered back in the day when I was rocking LG G3s and G5s and V30s, etc., etc. And a few weeks ago, I was doing some research on foldable phones and I came across this guy. And I was actually kind of shocked, kind of surprised that I had yet to have heard of this phone. And then I did my research and then I got excited, and now here is the unboxing. So we're going to do an unboxing. I'm not going to be turning it on. I do want to show you the phone and explain a little bit of what my thought process is with this phone. Feel free to hit that like button. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Please, I appreciate every single one of you guys. And let me know in the comment section below what you want me to review or look into. Because for $700 US, and I'll link this in the description below, you are getting a phone and a dual screen setup, which is more than half off compared to what Samsung is bringing to the table, which is half the price of what the Motorola Razr is bringing to the table. So this is a very interesting and exciting proposition that LG is giving us. So enough of me rambling. Let me show you the phone and let's go from there. So this part right here is going to be your dual screen. This part right here is going to be your phone. I know that a lot of you are probably going to get confused as to what one does and what does the other. So let's start first with the phone. So first things first, LG hitting us with the nice cloth. Boom. Right off the bat, we've got a phone. Let's go ahead and just quickly put this to the side. And early impression, this has a nice weight to it, so I like that already. Let me put that off to the side. Then we've got literature. No one ever reads that, so let's put that aside. And then we've got wall adapter. Does it say the wattage? Fast charge is all I know. And USB-C to USB-A. So there's that. That's what comes inside of that box. Let's put that away. Put that away. The dual screen. All right, and I will be peeling off that plastic off that phone, but let's take a look at this bad boy, because this right here, this is what makes this phone and this bundle, if you will, exciting. Because if you get this by itself, this is not that exciting. This is a good phone, but this isn't a Note, this isn't an iPhone, this isn't a Pixel. So LG has kind of fallen back a little bit. However, you add the dual screen situation and now you've got yourself some really cool and exciting piece of technology here. So first things first, let's peel this. Check out what it says in the front. We've got a front camera of 32 megapixels. That's a lot of megapixels. We have an in-display fingerprint. Of course, it's dual screen detachable, and then the Google Assistant button. I don't know how I feel about the Google Assistant button, because a lot of times most people don't like that dedicated button to access things. Samsung's been doing Bixby. Granted, Bixby is no Google Assistant, but we'll see how I like that. So, phone itself, it looks good, man. You've got a small little teardrop right here on the top for the camera cutout. Has a nice weight to it. Glossy everywhere. Dual camera setup on the back. Y'all see that? I like it. I like it a lot. Clean. It's just a clean looking phone. USB-C on the bottom. Headphone jack. Speaker grill. You know what I mean? Y'all have all that. Off to the side, we've got a volume rocker. Either the Google Assistant button or a power button. Probably the Google Assistant button, and then on to the right side, the power button on the top. We've got SIM tray, probably expandable storage. Hey, I like the way this feels. Boom, dual screen. How to install the dual screen. How to remove the dual screen. This is essentially a case. This is what this is. This is a case for your phone that has a dual screen. The case itself has a screen on the inside, as you guys can see there, that resembles exactly what the phone screen is here. So side by side, that is what it looks like. I mean, to the point where even the camera cutout up top here, and I'm sorry for the reflection, guys, even the camera cutout is there. Granted, there is no camera. So the whole point of this is you put your phone in here, you have dual screens, you take your phone out, you have just a phone. So, I mean, you've got different ways to play with this, and I like that a lot. Inside of here, you've got a quick start guide. I'll show you how to use it. Precautions with separating the mobile screen. Basically saying, do not lift the phone from the product at an acute angle. You want to slide in and slide out. So I guess that's the catch there. You know, Samsung with their Fold has their issues. And then right here, it looks like a MagSafe adapter, because if you have the phone in the case, that's how you're going to be charging. So MagSafe. Now, one thing I will tell you guys is I wish that the front of the dual screen was more than just this display panel. Again, I'm not going to be turning the phone on today, or on this video I should say, but this portion right here is a display portion. Let you know inbound calls, text messages, stuff like that. It'd be really cool if both this and the inside portion were both screen. It kind of like, okay, so magnets maybe? Yeah, looks like there's magnets at the bottom. No magnets at the top. All right, guys, and then there's couple things here that I need you all to realize real quick. So let me zoom in a little bit, and I apologize that this is such a mirror display, but it is. I mean, look at that. So just by handling here in this unboxing, fingerprint magnets everywhere, everywhere. So that's gonna get annoying, I'm sure, to tons of people. But more importantly than that, there's a slight little gap right here at the top. As you can see, it doesn't close flush. Okay, that's as close as it gets. The bottom, magnets. How do they work? We don't know. So that's one thing to keep in mind, because we've obviously seen tons of things regarding the Galaxy Fold and debris and everything. Obviously with this, you don't have that hinge situation to worry about because you have screen and then phone. But is that going to hold over time? I mean, is that going to stay closed? Because if that keeps flapping open, that's going to get annoying. I don't know why they couldn't put a magnet up top and then it would be staying flush, but there you have it. So yeah, guys, check out the channel. Hopefully you like what I do. Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything particular that you want me to review regarding this phone, because I will be doing the normal things, battery life, things I like, things I don't like, etc. And like always, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. It was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios.